This segment provides information on the use of the Parkrimp 2. The Parkrimp 2 machine crimps the entire range of hoses and fittings shown in the 4400 hose and fittings catalog. Your Parkrimp 2 machine comes with a serial number for registration purposes. Your Parkrimp 2 comes with several sets of large color-coded dies designed to handle 43 through 79 series fittings. Because these dies are larger and heavier, they come in two pieces for convenience and handling. The Parkrimp 2 also comes with an adapter bowl for the smaller dies. If you're using the larger dies, take the adapter bowl out. You can't make a mistake because the smaller dies fall through the bowl and the larger sizes won't fit in the adapter bowl. First, refer to the Parkrimp decal to select the right dies. Also check if the spacer ring or spacer plate is needed. We'll first demonstrate with smaller dies. Since this job calls for half-inch hose, the blue dies are the right ones to use. First, put the adapter bowl in place. Then drop the dies into place, making sure to leave the gap in the front. That makes it easier to remove a bent stem fitting. Now insert the spacer ring. Next, insert the hose assembly from the bottom. Adjust it so the bottom of the fitting shell sits on the Park-aligned step in the dies. With the Parkrimp 2, the silver die ring is in two pieces with the back piece attached to the pusher. Next, pull the pin inside the pusher to lower the back half of the die ring. Then insert the front half. Holding the hose lightly, lower the pusher by pulling the valve handle toward you. Wait until the die ring is bottomed on the base. Then push the valve handle away from you. The pusher will retract, enabling the die separator to open the dies. Then remove the assembly. It's also a good idea to confirm the crimp diameter for each assembly. You can find the correct diameters on the Parkrimp decal, in the Parker Hose Products Division 4400 catalog, or online at CrimpSource. As the final step, remove any particles in the hose with compressed air and cap if necessary to avoid contamination. When making larger assemblies with the Parkrimp 2, the process is similar. The main differences are that you don't use the adapter bowl or spacer ring, and to crimp a bent stem fitting, you put the back half of the die in first, put the hose assembly in place, then insert the front half of the die. Beyond that, the rest of the process is the same. You lower the pusher by pulling the valve handle toward you. Wait until the die ring is bottomed on the base. Then push the valve handle away from you. When the pusher retracts, the die separator opens. You'll then need to remove the front half of the die plate and the front half of the die. Then you can remove the hose assembly. And that's the basics of your Parkrimp 2 machine. If you need more information, please refer to your technical manual. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with the Parkrimp difference.